Hey y'all, it's Danny Bossed Up Jones making this testimony video so you can hear from members of my team about why it's good to join this company and become a part of this awesome movement. We love to inspire others to get out the struggle and live life on your terms, so stay tuned and I hope you enjoyed this video.
I've been in the company for a little bit over 6 months. I've been able to put an extra $200 a month back in my pocket and be able to increase my credit score. I've been able to travel. I'm from Detroit, so I've never traveled before. I'm not, a rocket science at this, but I'm a mother of 4 that just decided to step out my comfort zone, try something different, and take a chance on me. So if you're a person and you're skeptical, don't be scared, because the only person that's going to make it better for yourself is you.
I'm currently right now living a life that I couldn't possibly dream of, really. I'm able to travel. I'm able to buy things that I want, that I need. I really don't have no bills. I don't have no debt. What I mean by bills, I don't have no debt. This is like almost guaranteed, like 95%. We're talking about wiping off bad credit history, and we're talking about 200 points. 200 points in a matter of 45 to 90 days. Very simple. This company actually shows you how to get back money and not give money. And maybe the government will owe you.
I just want to talk to y'all about the opportunity that was brought to my attention and definitely, changed my life. And I know also it can change yours as well. We can help you repair your credit step by step. And also, if you have an extra job, we can get your money, we can get your pay without either waiting or asking your boss, and get you back from 50 to 200 back on your check or more. We killing it in the game, we doing it.
I would wholeheartedly recommend this company. I would wholeheartedly recommend this team and these people. They will take you to the next level. They're not going to leave you behind. They're always there to offer their knowledge, to give their time, to give their experience, and they're not asking for anything in return but your effort. So if you're willing to make the effort, this is where it's at. These people, this team.
Hey, what's up everybody, it's Chrissy. I'm EVP Go with Myecontestimonyvid, and I'm the owner of Go Status Solutions. Of course, you guys know that I am creating the lifestyle that I want. And by me doing that, I had to learn some things that I didn't know once before. Financial literacy is very, very, very extremely important. Just getting your finances together, getting your credit together is the way that you can create whatever lifestyle it is that you want, whether it's a new car or a new house or whatever the case may be, or just have money in your bank account. However whatever it is that you want your lifestyle to be, that's what you have to do. And I am going to create the lifestyle that I want for me and my family, so you should do the same.
For 3 years, I'm EVP Platinum, and since joining Myecon, I've been able to use the strategies and cash flow over $150,000 back into my household, and I've been able to increase my investment account to $250,000. So I love Myecon, and I'm excited about sharing the opportunity with many others so that they can increase their investment, get their cash flow up, and make money.
And we've been in Myecon for a total of about 3 months right now. And between my wife and I, we were able to generate over almost $250,000 in commissions already. Super excited about this company because, guys, I'm telling you, the products are made to help everyone in America. It helps you improve your credit, it helps your finances, guys, and you need this. As much as some people don't want to admit it, they need financial education. They need this to change their lives. They need this for their children. They need this to get better homes, anything in life. This product, Myecon, is the best business for you. Not only are you able to generate a huge income from home, but you're also able to use the products to change your life. Everyday people, everyone needs this. I promise you, it's the best company out there right now.
Yes, absolutely, guys. We're so excited to be a part of this awesome company. The way the company is structured, when you really build a team, you're gonna see it will take you to the next level. And I'm so excited to be a part of this company, guys. It's a blessing.
All I'm gonna say is this: anyone can show you how to make money, but this company will show you how to keep it.
Yes.
I'm currently EVP Platinum with Myecontestimonyvid. Before joining Myecontestimonyvid 3 years ago, I was working 2 jobs, which didn't leave me with a lot of time for my family. Since joining Myecontestimonyvid, I have taken my $13 investment and flipped that into $25,000 in cash flow back into my household. I'm now investing, which I wasn't doing before, and I am loving this journey. I'm living the cash, asset cash philosophy. I love my econ loves me, and it will also love you.